We're eating Krispy Kreme donuts. The original since 1937. They're not. They are permanent, not the one that is like plain. Let's take a bite. Oh my god, that's so tasty. 10 out of 10.
You even got a Kit Kat?
Yeah, take a bite.
Mmm. Good.
The viewers take a bite.
Yum yum.
Wow.
Let's go inside the kwarto. It's hot here. Put it here.
Hmm.
Can you ask Daddy if you want to take a bite?
I don't think